Come test drive the 2021 Sedona. Sedona has the highest safety rating of any minivan on the market. With its comfortable ride, quiet cabin, and seating for up to 7 passengers, the Sedona is a great choice for any on-the-go family. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, power 3rd passenger door, privacy glass, 4th passenger door. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.